I'm sure you guys know I've had a problem with foxes, but because of the security around the borders, look at the garden that Mr. Fox has given up on. Look how beautiful it is. In this garden, I have some snowball turnips. I know I was meant to harvest this bad boy here, but the size of it is just getting incredibly humongous. I've got some callaloo still there. I've got some more snowball turnips. I've got some spinach, or I have no idea what that is. I didn't plant any spinach in here, but there's a spinach in here, guys. Hey, spinach is here. Some extra callaloo, some snowball turnips, because what I did, I just sprinkled some seeds. Okay, guys, I found a box in my seeding part and I just threw some of them in here. This is, if I could tell you what this is, I would be lying to you. I can't remember what this is. What did I put there? Okay, that's some Lisbon bunching onions. I just planted those in. I don't know what this is. I can't tell you. But hey, the garden is looking lovely. This is some beetroot, all different variety of cold tolerant beetroot. I'm looking forward to those. This is my courgette. My courgette, look at that beauty in there. I know the net's on the top of it. Look at the beauty, it's getting bigger every day. That's amazing. I can't even, let me just see if I can raise this up a little bit and show you exactly how it's looking, guys. Come on. I think I've won the victory here. I've won the war. So that at the back there, this is some beautiful sprouting Lisbon onions, bunching onions, by the way. So they're gonna bunch together and give me something later on here. I've got some garlic which is coming through. These are ones I don't even remember putting in here. I thought I harvest all of them, but nope, they're here to show me some love. So I was like, okay, grow with us, please, why don't you? Got some beetroot in there, some different variety of beetroots all over here, some radishes. Look at that. Look at the beautiful radish. Come on, guys, where have you ever seen a radish that size in a while, guys? Come on. I got some tomatoes. Okay, that's weird. Season's ended and tomatoes are popping up. Yeah, look at this. I'm gonna be harvesting these soon. There's a few carrots. I know you can't. There's some carrots in there. There's some carrots. There's some more bunching onions. I'm trying to get a lot of onions in here. These are bunching onions there. Look at that. Absolutely, I'm very impressed. I'm very happy. I've got rid of Mr. Fox. Because Mr. Fox is gone, my stuff is growing because I've put a little bit of protection on. I've got some purple bok choy. Look at that, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And I did put something else in here, but I can't remember what it was. Oh, there's some more bunching onions. They look young. They will be coming up nicely soon. Just give it some time because they are gonna go straight through to the autumn. I've got some more beetroot. These are my old beetroots there. Those bigger bunches, they're my old ones. They're looking lovely. I've got some kale. Look at that. That's a weed. That's the kale. Okay, guys, don't get it messed up. That's the kale. I've got some kohlrabi in the middle here. Look at that. That's coming up nice. Got them all the way over there. Some brassicas. You know the brassica love that cold. I've got a Brussels. Come on, guys. Brussels. If you don't like Brussels, to you. These are red Brussels. Anyway, I love my vegetables, so I'll take everything a thing. I've got some onions that I didn't plant, but they're coming up. I'll take that. They can be used as spring onions. Some more. This is a massive snowball turnip. Some weird spinach coming from nowhere. I don't know. I didn't plant those. And I definitely have some cabbages in somewhere. I'm trying to find them. There you go. That's a cabbage in between that. There's one that's a little bit struggling right here. That's one that's struggling right now. So yeah, look at that. That is cauliflower, guys. That's some cauliflower. I stuck some cauliflower in there. There's a couple more over there. I do have to do some weeding soon. And I got cucumbers, which I'm going to be taking at least one of them home today with me. They're not fully ready yet. They're furry. I don't even remember the variety of these, but they look like normal cucumbers, but they might not even be normal cucumbers. All I wrote on the thing was cucumbers. They're looking lovely. Can't wait to take it home and enjoy the meal, because it is getting colder, so the leaves are starting to show that it's soon to be time for them to be going. The joys and the pains of gardening, it is what it is. But look at that, beautiful. Let's give you guys a mad overview. So that is the other one bit I throw first. Look at that, look at all that greenery. Look at that. And there's gonna be more in the making, because I got some other things that I need to try to get in here. Some more beetroot and a couple more Lisbon. Hey, look at the carrots, guys, come on. Carrots. I'm gonna be seeing in the dark. Okay, maybe not like that, but yeah. Look at that, there's a few kale. I'm gonna get some more kale sowed, or I might actually just go with these first and try to use up other seeds that I have. I need to get some, there is a variety of lettuce that like the cold, lamb's lettuce. I'm gonna be sowing those directly in between all these things that you see here. Maybe I'll stick them at the end of this bed here that doesn't have much, but I'm gonna try to get those and put them in the other beds whenever they finish. Look at that, guys, beautiful. I never give up. The foxes were absolutely annihilating me at the beginning of the season, and I have the last laugh. Goodbye, Mr. Fox. And then again, they are smart. Hopefully they don't come back by actually me hearing. I better keep my voice down, because these guys do not play. They do not play. Yeah. Anyway, this is your boy, Mr. Green Hands. I hope you guys have a great afternoon and come back for another time and enjoyment and madness gardening. It is what it is. And please don't forget to take care of the planet. We just really have to. Absolutely amazing, guys. Take care.